guys, how are you? My name is Jessie. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So, 2020. Let's not sugarcoat it, it was absolute shit. But my partner and I managed to fit in one exciting thing throughout all the chaos. We bought our first home. We're so excited. This video is the first installation, you could call it, of a set of moving vlogs that I have ready to release over the next couple of weeks. Today is a quick one, and as I'm sure you know based on the title, we're doing an empty house tour. I'm going to swap back over to 2020 me and I'll show you through the house on the day that we moved in. Let's go. Okay, I'm in our front yard. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have so much space now. We have a huge front yard, huge backyard. Oh, I'm so excited. Excuse my red face, I'm excited. Let's go through the house. It's the front door. We have like a little entryway area there. Not very big, but just enough for like an entry table. Oh, another daddy long legs. Hi, buddy. This is the lounge. It's a big space with nice, I think are they bay windows? I don't know. Nice window. That leads into the main bedroom, the master bedroom. We have a fireplace, which this is very old. This house was built in the 80s. So this is the original fireplace. It goes straight through to heat up the whole house. We're going to replace it eventually. And then if we go through here, we get to the master. It's super dark. Where is the light? We're going to change all these lights. Come through into the walk-in robe. Ensuite. So this leads out to the back, well it doesn't lead out, it's a window out to the backyard. And you come back out and go through here to get to the dining area slash kitchen. So we will do this up eventually. It's just all very dated, but I love these big windows that we have. They're gorgeous. This is the other side of that fireplace and this is what heats the rest of the house, but we will replace that and get different heating for this end of the house. Super echoey. If you come down this way, this is the main bathroom, or the bathroom of the house. Got the old school tiling and taps. And this has got a bath. A separate toilet, laundry. It's got cupboard space. All of this will be renovated too, obviously. But this goes out into, I don't know how to do the doors yet. Doors. This goes out into the backyard, which is a huge yard for the dogs. We're going to do a lot of landscaping as well, so all of this will be taken out. We're going to do an outdoor entertaining area. Yep, these plans are all over the next few years. Obviously we're going to replace all of this and it's going to be great for the dogs. Up there, that's the shed and garage up there, and that's where we come in with our cars. Let's keep going. So once you come through here, it leads you to these 3 bedrooms. So they're all pretty much the same. They've got, this one had a door handle missing from the cupboard. So that is just the cupboard. It's just a little small room. This is probably the room that I'm going to do filming in. And then this one's a bit bigger. This one we're going to turn into our study. It's got, focus. Come on. There we go. It's got built-ins. So this room and the other one there are exactly the same. This one might be a touch bigger though, but we're going to get a custom desk in here. and have it as an office space for both of us. And then this will be the spare room. Really doesn't like focusing on the cupboards there, does it? Come on, there we go. So all of this brown that's on all the doors, all the windows, everything, I hate it. Yeah, I hate it. It's very 80s. We're going to, when we paint, we're going to repaint everything, the doors, cupboards. Eventually we will be replacing all the windows with aluminium instead of timber, because these are really old. Like, there's not even flywire or anything. But yeah, so all our renovations will happen in time. So yeah, that's our new house. Cheers. And there you have it. That's our brand new house. I say new, but it's obviously very old. It was built in about the 80s, like I said, but we have so many plans on what we want to do inside the house and outside. Evan's already made so much progress on the front yard and the backyard. He's been clearing everything out so that we can get ready to landscape. But in terms of inside, we're just taking our time. Our main goals are to renovate the laundry, the main bathroom and toilet, and to give the whole place a fresh coat of paint. We're also toying with the idea of extending out the kitchen, main bedroom and ensuite just to give us a bit more space. But that depends on permits and all the other fun stuff that comes with building. Evan also wants a huge shed, so that's in the plans for the next couple of months. We are going to be very busy this year. And of course, I'll be taking you guys along for the ride with us through all the renovations. I can't wait to get started. So what do you think we should do? Do you have any cool ideas for this house? What color scheme would you go with? Let me know in the comments down below. That's all from me today, guys. Please leave a like if you're excited to see what we do with our new home, and subscribe to my channel to follow along with our progress. I'll see you guys next week. Bye! That sounded weird. Finch flying around. So cute. There is a fly. So much progress. One exciting Stop getting thumbs up. Looks stupid. Bye, honey.